Felicific, Hedonic, Calculus. Introduction. The Felicific, Hedonic, calculus is an important part of Bentham's utilitarianism. It was developed by Jeremy Bentham to measure pleasure and pain caused by an action or a law. Bentham believed that laws should be made scientifically by calculating their effects on human happiness. Meaning of Felicific calculus. The Felicific calculus is a method of calculating happiness. It helps lawmakers decide whether an action or law will produce more pleasure than pain. According to Bentham, an action is right if it increases happiness and wrong if it increases suffering. Basis of the theory. Bentham believed that human behavior is governed by pleasure and pain. Since the aim of law is to promote happiness, pleasure and pain must be measured and compared before making laws. Use of Felicific calculus. Helps lawmakers in making welfare-oriented laws. Encourages rational and scientific legislation. Focuses on social happiness, not personal morality. Useful in criminal law, punishment, and policy making. Factors of Felicific, Hedonic, calculus. Bentham suggested 7 factors to measure pleasure and pain. Intensity. It refers to how strong the pleasure or pain is. Greater intensity means greater happiness or suffering. Duration. It refers to how long the pleasure or pain lasts. Long-lasting pleasure is better than short-term pleasure. Certainty. It refers to how likely the pleasure or pain is to occur. A certain pleasure is better than an uncertain one. Nearness, propinquity. It refers to how soon the pleasure or pain will occur. Immediate pleasure is preferred over distant pleasure. Fecundity. It means whether the pleasure will lead to more pleasures in the future or the pain will lead to more pain. Purity. It refers to whether the pleasure is free from pain or the pain is free from pleasure. Extent. It refers to the number of people affected. Pleasure affecting more people is more valuable. Criticism. Pleasure and pain cannot be measured accurately. Ignores moral and ethical values. Minority interests may be sacrificed for majority happiness. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Felicific, Hedonic, calculus is a practical tool developed by Bentham to measure happiness scientifically. It supports the utilitarian goal of achieving the greatest happiness of the greatest number. Though it has limitations, it has greatly influenced modern lawmaking and legal reforms and remains a key concept in jurisprudence.